welcome to my channel. So today is my second day of speaking English challenge for 21 days. So as you know, my name is Preeti and in this video I'm going to talk about can Hindi medium student speak English or not. So guys, I must say, yeah, absolutely. Hindi medium student can speak English fluently because it means not like that who comes from English medium, so only they can speak English because we should take English as a skill, not subject. Because many people, and personally, if I talk about myself, so earlier I was took English as a subject and I didn't much focus on speaking part. So that is why these days I'm not able to speak this language. Like I'm not much, I'm not fluent because of I didn't focus that time. So that is why I worked upon in these days and where I start my journey from scratch in 2025. So if I earlier focused on this language, so right now I can say I am fluent front of you, but this is not like that. So I want to talk about guys who comes from Hindi medium, so they can also speak English, but they need to work upon their little things which is need in this language. Because if I talk about who comes from English medium, so they are better than from us who comes from Hindi medium because their foundation is already strong because they uh, done their schooling in English medium. So I must say they are come across every subject in English. So that is why they are little bit familiar in this language. But if I talk about who comes from Hindi medium, so they should work faster than who comes from English medium. So that is why guys, there are so many people in this these days who comes from Indian medium. But if I talk about their English, so their English is, I must say, they are very fluent because they work upon every day. Because consistency is key of any success. If we want to learn something new, so I think we should work upon that every day, and later then if we can express our thought in English, so later then we can change our personality and our English too. So that is why guys, it was not like that if you comes from Hindi medium, so they can't speak, but just they need to work more upon their English. Because we have to learn something from scratch in English. So that is why we need to more work upon it. And sometimes we feel demotivated because we take this sometimes we take English as a subject. Like we get scared, this is a very vast subject and I can't learn this. So I think we should not think like that, and we should work upon this, and we should not pressurize us. Like sometimes we feel like I'm not learning nothing, and I think I should give up because I'm not learning nothing. And sometimes we feel these type of feeling. So I just, I just want to say, if you one of them who want to start their journey from scratch, so you just need to every day focus on this language. Like you should start your journey from basic, and later then if you can express your thought front of other and front of camera, so later then you will definitely feel confident. So guys, I am a live example front of you, because as you can see right now I'm stuck many times. Because when I want to speak front of camera and front of others, so many times it's happened with me, right? Not getting right what to say front of others. So that is why I'm stuck many times. But if I focus every day to speaking part, so I think it might helpful for me, and I will definitely get fluency and confidence in this language. So that is why guys, I took this challenge for myself and who want to learn this language. So guys, I want to say these all mm, things with you. So guys, that's all for today. If this video is going to help you somewhere, so please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel for more. And as I already promised, I come with the new video every day because I already took this challenge for 21 days. So that is why guys, so that's all for today, because I want to make my video shorter than longer, uh, because I'm also learner, so don't have enough, uh, like I don't have any script and I don't have enough word to say front of my camera. So that is why I prefer to make video my shorter, like 5 to 6 minutes, almost long. So guys, that's all for today, and I'll come with a new video. So till then, please subscribe my channel and keep learning.